November 2025. A time when the cosmos throws a party meters, raining down like wishes. Auroras painting the north in neon fire, and planets dancing in a rare tango. Under these very skies, ancient stargazers dreamed big. Tonight, it's your turn. What if one shooting star changes your path? Let's blast off for 10 cosmic events that'll stun your soul and fill your feed. We're counting down from 10, building the excitement with each celestial spectacle. So, grab a blanket, find a dark spot, and let's begin kicking off our cosmic countdown at number 10. The Leonid meteor shower. Peaking on the night of November 17th, Earth will dive right through a dusty trail left by comet. This means we could see up to 15 shooting stars per hour. Imagine wishes on fiery wings streaking across the velvet blackness. The best time to watch is after midnight, when the constellation Leo the Lion, the shower's radiant point, climbs high in the sky. Will you be out there to catch a falling star? At number 9, we have an Aurora surge watch. Thanks to some energetic solar activity or coronal mass ejections from October, their lingering effects could push the northern lights further south than usual. We're talking potential G1 to G2 geomagnetic storms. This means those ethereal, dancing ribbons of green and pink might just be visible from the northern tier of the United States, maybe even dipping into the Midwest. It's like the sun is sending us glowing echoes from millions of miles away. Keep an eye on Aurora forecast soon. Might get a surprise light show right in your backyard. Coming in at number 8 is a breathtaking planetary dance. On the morning of November 5th, look to the pre-dawn sky in the east. You'll witness a stunningly close conjunction of Venus and Jupiter. These two are the brightest beacons in our night sky, and they'll appear to almost kiss, separated by just a tiny fraction of a degree. It's a celestial lover's tango, a beautiful and serene sight to start your day. You won't even need a telescope, but binoculars will make the view even more spectacular. Slipping into our number 7 spot, we have the fading whispers of Halley's comet. Throughout early November, you can still catch the tail end of the Orionid meteor shower. These are tiny, swift firebolts that seem to shoot from the belt of Orion the Hunter. Each streak is a grain of dust shed by the legendary Halley's comet centuries ago. It's a direct connection to one of the most famous objects in our solar system, a ghostly reminder of its cosmic journey. At number 6, prepare for a supermoon illusion. The full moon of November, traditionally known as the Hunter's Moon, will be near its perigete's closest point to Earth. As it rises over the horizon, a wonderful optical illusion will make it appear absolutely enormous and painted in a deep blood orange hue. It's a sight that pulls on our ancient instincts, a moment when the moon feels close enough to touch, governing the tides and inspiring countless tailies. Halfway through our list, at number 5, the return of the red planet. Mars is on its approach to opposition, meaning it will get progressively brighter and bigger in our sky all month long. Look for the distinct crimson-colored dot climbing in the evening sky. It's the war god awakening from its slumber. This is the perfect time to grab your binoculars or a small telescope and get a closer peek. You might even be able to spot some of its dark surface features. Burning slowly into our number 4 position are the Taurid meteors. Unlike the swift Leonids, the Taurids are known for being slow and majestic. They are famous for producing the occasional fireball, a meteor so bright it can cast shadows on the ground. These are like celestial foxes, tumbling lazily across the night in brilliant shades of orange and yellow. Catching one is a rare treat, an explosive and unforgettable moment of silent fireworks. At number 3, we turn our gaze to the deep sky. November offers a prime view of one of the most beautiful star clusters in the heavens, also known as the Seven Sisters, or Messier 45. This jeweled family of young, hot blue stars is easily visible to the naked eye in the constellation Taurus. It looks like a tiny, misty dipper. Through binoculars, it explodes into a glittering swarm of diamonds, a sight that warms the November chill and reminds us of the stellar nurseries where stars are born. Nearing the top, at number 2, we have a chance to see our home. On clear, moonless nights, far from city lights, look for the faint, milky band of the Milky Way's edge. This is the cosmic shoreline, the outer rim of our own galaxy, stretching across the sky. Seeing that river of countless stars pouring over the horizon is a profoundly humbling experience. You're not just looking at stars. You're looking at the grand structure of our galactic home, a wave of light crashing into our view. And finally, our number 1 cosmic event for November 2025 is a moment of global connection. International Observe the Moon Night on November 14th. On this night, people from all around the world are encouraged to look up and share the experience of observing our moon. It's a celebration of moonlit unity, a time when billions of us from different cultures and continents can gaze up and feel connected by that one silver light. It's a reminder that no matter what divides us, we all share the same sky. November 2025. A sky scripted for pure wonder, inviting every one of us to simply look up and feel like we belong to something vast and beautiful. Which event calls to you the most? The rain of meteors, or the quiet awe of moonlit unity? Share your November sky story in the comments below. What are you most excited to see? If this video lit up your night, please give it a like to help scatter these stars across the internet. Subscribe to Fact Frontier Science and ring that notification bell for our monthly cosmic calendars. Next time, we'll explore the quantum whispers from the void. Until then, keep your eyes on the skies and let's gaze together.